Good morning, everyone. I am Hardik Patel from class 12B. Today I am going to give a very easy to understand and brief lecture about the topic of function. So in this lecture, we are going to understand the definition of function and the types of function. So let's begin. So in function, it is said that we have, if you guys ever use a vending machine, in a vending machine, we put an coin and we get an output and item from the vending machine. Similarly, in functions, if we put an input in the function, then we get an output. If we didn't get an output, it is not said to be a function. And if I say the textbook definition of a function, then function is a relation in which every element of domain forms an image in the codomain. So I hope you understand. Okay, then let's move towards the type of functions. First one is one function, and it is also called injective function. In this function, we have if every input gets a unique image in the codomain. So if we get a unique image, then it is said to be a one function. For example, if f of x is equal to x, then if we let x one, then we get a single and unique output in this function. And is there one condition that every x is should be a real number. So if there's a condition that x should be a real number, then now let's move to the second type of function, which is onto function and which is also called surjective function. So in 11th class, we study the topic of Venn diagram. So I will explain the Venn diagram to you. So this is the domain, and these are the elements of the domain. And this is codomain. These are the elements of domain. As you can see, that the first element of the domain was an image in the codomain. Second element also is in the domain. But you can see that the two elements of domains forms only single image in the codomain. And if why, then I can tell that every element of the domain has an image, has an pre-image in a domain, and it can be one or two. So, for example, this means that we can put two inputs and get a single output. So this is called a OC function. And now let's move to the one function, which is also called vibrator function. In this function, we got the formulas about these two function. In this, they have every element has unique image in this function, and the codomain has pre-image function. So these are the types of function that I explained you, and I hope you understand it. This is my lecture. I conclude lecture, and I hope you understand. Thank you.